Welcome back, guys, to another of my YouTube video tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert doors and windows in a drawing. Even though I'm using AutoCAD architecture, I will be using the traditional approach, or the standard AutoCAD approach, basically. So this can be done one of two ways. You could use AD Center, or you could use Tool Palette. I think, well, Tool Palette is definitely more flexible. With Tool Palette, you can modify it. Well, the blocks can be altered or switched quickly when compared to AD Center. So Tool Palette is the recommended approach. First, I would need to change to my door window, my door and window layer. From that, I type Tool Palette, TP for Tool Palette, TP enter, TP enter. I then go up to Architecture. From that, my next step is to go down to Door Metric. So Door Metric, click and drag and drop into the drawing. In this case, I want about 3 doors, 2 or 3. I click and drag for the windows as well. 1, 2, 3 windows. That's it. Now we can close this. My next step is to adjust one of these, So I left click on it, then I click here. The wall is 150 millimeters, so we must adjust this to 150. 150, enter. Right. The length of this is 750, but I want 900 millimeters door. So I type 900, enter. And this is now adjusted to 900 millimeters. I could rotate this. Well, first, I must make a copy of this. C or enter. Enter. Base point is here. And I'm going to rotate this at 90 degrees. Rotate. R out, rotate. Enter. Click base point. Click there. My next step is to create the spacer that I want for these doors. Now, in AutoCAD architecture, you can set the distance that you want the door to start from the finished wall. But for standard AutoCAD, you don't have that advantage. So you'll need to mark off some distance that you want the door to be from the finished wall. In this case, I want this to be, it's typically the same thickness as the wall. So I want my door to be 150 millimeters from here. So for that, I will be using a series of circles. So I left click on circle, start here, and I enter a radius of 150 millimeters. 150, enter. So this now acts as a guide. So the door will be placed here, which automatically gives me a distance of 150 millimeters. What is good is to go through and copy and drop these at every point that you want a door to be. That makes it much easier. So I click this, type C over copy, enter. The base point will be here. I then look on the drawing to see where this door should be. I have one door here, another door here, one door here. One door here, one door there. So I have another door here. So click one here for a door there. Another door here. So I click here for another door here. Then go to this bedroom. Another door out of the patio. A door is placed here. There's a window there. And there's a door here in the middle. A door here in the middle. A door here. And we have this bedroom, we have a double door here. So I'm putting one here. The living room, we have a door here as well. So I'm adding one there again for this door there. And that's basically it. So now I'm gonna copy this, C, enter, and great importance. Here must be my base point for this in this case. Then I go up here and I drop this there. I will be mirroring this. So, so that is one there. I need one more here as well. I'll be mirroring that as well. Is there any other horizontal? No. Yes, one horizontal door here. You want another door here. Click there. I might need to adjust that one. And another door here. Might need to adjust that a little bit. Where is the one door? So I'm done with the horizontal one. Now for the vertical. So I click here. Use here as a copy, C, enter. Here as a base point. Oh, probably in this case, probably I don't want to use here as a base point in that case. Here as the base point. Oh, I think I'm using the wrong. All right, it's okay. I can always move that. Yeah, I think I'm using the wrong base point. Escape. Delete. I'm using the wrong base point. In this case, I need to use here as the base point. See, enter. I need to use here as the base point. Here as the base point. Very important. Here as the base point, yeah. And this one here as the base point. Any more? Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so now for me to fix this up. Now, first I'm gonna mirror this one as it's two of them. So I click that, MI for mirror, enter. Select the first mirror point, second mirror point, enter. And now I'm gonna trim out the section. ER, enter two times, left click, drag, click into that space, click here, left click, drag, click into the space, and that has been created. And now I can delete those two. Delete, that is done. Come across here, again, left click this, mirror, MI, select the first mirror line. Guys, it's extremely important that you read the command bar. The command bar says, specify the first mirror point. I click here. Second mirror point here. It says erase source object. No, I want to keep it. Enter. Now trim, ER, enter, enter. Left click and drag down. Left click and drag. Zoom into this. Left click there. Left click and drag there. Escape. Left click and delete, and that is done. Come down here. I realize that the full size door might not fit this, so I'm gonna adjust this to 750 door. So I left click here, 750, enter. Yeah, so this size door is more appropriate for this drawing. Move M, enter. Here is the base point. There. Escape trim. ER, enter, enter. Escape, click, delete. Now I can flip this door, flip it in. I can also flip it this or that way. It's totally up to me. All right, flip it in. So it's up to me to determine how I want this door to open. All right, escape. I realize that the bathroom has no door. ER, enter, enter. Left click, drag. Trim, trim, trim. Delete, delete that. That's the door. Now I'm gonna flip this door on the inside, so I'll left click there, left click this to flip on the inside. And that is good. I might want to swing this to let this door flip on that side, so I do that. That is good. Again, I come here, trim, ER, enter, enter, left click, drag. That is done. Zoom in, click there. I'm gonna move this door. Enter. Move this door to the bathroom. Escape. I need to adjust this door to about 7 to 750. Enter. Enter. Click here as the base point. Match that to here. Trim. ER, enter, enter. Left click, drag. Escape. Delete the circle now, because we no longer need a circle. So there is our bathroom door. All right. So we have one more door to clean out or to trim. ER, enter, enter. Left click, drag. Zoom, click, escape, delete. Oh, I think this is a double door as well. Let me check to confirm. No, this is a single door. So I think this door is out of alignment. I need to adjust this door. So I need to move this door up to this point. So I click this door, move M, enter. The base point to be in the middle of these two lines, to be right here in the middle. So to get that, I'm gonna use middle of 2 points. M, 2, P, enter. I'm gonna click the first midpoint, second midpoint there. Then bring this up to that. Escape. So that is now in alignment. I'm gonna drag this up to there. Escape. Drag this up to here. escape. And I'm gonna drag this, could bring this up to that, or I could trim, escape. So door is now fixed in place. And just like that, all the doors are in basically. So that's how we enter or we insert a door into our drawing using traditional method. With AutoCAD architecture, there's a much easier way to do it. You simply click on the door, choose the door size, and you set your offset distance, click onto the wall, adjust, and it's in. But of course, not everyone is using AutoCAD architecture, so I've decided to use to do these videos using the traditional AutoCAD or the traditional method. And of course, these are some advanced techniques which saves a tremendous amount of time. Actually, these are some of my secrets that I'm sharing. All right, so all of these secrets are in my books coming out. Applying AutoCAD for a C-stick cape, you know, Introduction to AutoCAD Architecture, Introduction to AutoCAD, Principles of AutoCAD. So those books are pretty much here. They're in the market, so go and check them out. Again, guys, remember, you don't need to be good, but you must practice to be good, right? You don't need to be good to start, sorry, but you must start to be good. Very important.